morning. It's a light display known across the world, and a city here in Colorado shares a similar name. Of course, we're talking about Aurora Borealis. Well, now the city is holding a signature celebration of light, culture, and cosmic wonder.
Cool. Yeah, it's the Aurora Borealis Festival. Daru live at the Stanley Marketplace with a pop-up installation to preview the upcoming event. What's up, Dan?
The Aurora Borealis. I've seen Aurora, but I've never seen Aurora Borealis. The Andromeda strain. The Andromeda strain, not the Andrea strain. That could be something different. Hey, David, nice to see you. This is a big event, by the way.
It's a big deal.
Because we've got bagels, and we've got Mayor Mike Kaufman. He just finished speaking.
Yeah.
And we are talking about Aurora Borealis, but the actual event in Aurora happens in October.
October 10th and 11th at Payne Prairie.
What are we doing here today as I hit you with my cosmic wand?
Sky, we can have a little duel right now. Sky Flames.
I'm your father.
Diana Merkel, one of our artists, she has an installation here at Stanley Marketplace. We're about to light it up. It's like a sneak preview of everything that's going to be at the Aurora Borealis Festival.
Yeah, this will be the first annual. The inaugural was last year, and it was quite an event. A lot of people attended.
Yeah, 15,000, and we're looking to double that this year if we can.
What?
Yes, sir.
Last year it was free, though. This year, you got to open your wallet.
$15 ticket, but the parking is free this year. So it's actually a wash.
Yeah, it is. And you know what? You can wash your jeans, too.
That's right.
Now, that being said, what's going on here today? We got Diana Merkel, the artist. How many other artists will actually be at the event?
Dozens of local artists, dozens of local restaurants. We have vendors at our Global Gift Bazaar. It's a really community event that also brings together the light and the beauty of the Aurora Borealis effect.
David Jacobson, I want you to talk about Stanley Market. That's where we are right now. This is kind of an abstract kind of, like I said, abstract. Look at that.
There it is. It's right there.
Literally, it says abstract. This is kind of a funky place to do a little shopping.
Yes, 60 local vendors right here. Colorado-owned businesses in what used to be an aviation factory. They invented the ejector seat here.
Wow. See, now if I was in a plane, I don't want to be ejected.
No.
I want to buckle up and land safely. That's a whole nother story.
Absolutely.
Where can people go for information, David?
AuroraBorealisFestival.com. Please buy all the tickets so I can keep my job.
Hey, you got kids to feed.
No, I don't.
Well,
fur babies, they count.
But you eat.
Yes, a lot.
And
especially here at Stanley Marketplace.
Yeah, okay, guys, we're you. Shameless plug. The Andromeda strain. The Andrea strain. That could be a good movie. I should start working on that script. Yeah. The Andrea strain. First came Andrea, and she decided to put everybody under strain. What? They're counting down.
Oh, why is it counting down?
Let's watch.
Wait, get in there, codes.
I'm in.
Oh. That's what they